Is that a little cat? Is that a little cat? Oh, do I see a little baby face? Chicky, Chicky, is that you, Chicky? Oh, Teddy's gonna kill you. Come on out from under the couch. Oh, it's a paw. It's a paw. Ow! Hello there, Chicky. You've been caught. Okay, back down goes the curtain. Ooh, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? And Mr. Teddy watching every single move. Yes, it's a paw. Oh, there he goes. Okay, it's a cat fight. It's a cat fight. Who's gonna win? The big fuzzy kitten or the fat short kitten? Oh, and the action is too fast to film. Oh, Teddy's bum. Okay, what are you gonna do, Chicky? You blend into the couch, you silly. Come on, Chicky. Come on, Chicky. Oh. And the fight keeps on going. Oh yes, oh yes. They're gonna kill each other. No, they're just playing. Hey, Chicky, what do you think? Hey, silly Chicky, are you ears back like, now what should I do? Now what should I do? Because Teddy is over here by the water bowl. Oh, he's in a crouching position. Will he get Teddy? I mean, Chicky? Oh, where's Chicky? Oh, he's so fast. You gonna go under the couch? Oh, my goodness, my goodness. Oh, it's a fight. It's a fight. Oh, take a rest. Fluff your fur. Attack! Attack! Yeah. Oh, Chicky's getting mad. Oh. Okay. Now, boys, settle down. Okay. Chicky, look at us. Oh, I want you to see Chicky. Oh, geez, I have no hope in hell of catching him. I wanted you to see these weird eyebrows he has. And Teddy, poor Teddy's there all alone. Oh, Teddy, jump over. Oh, they were flying. Oh, yes, run away, up. Okay, let's see if we can get a Chicky face. Ouch, it hurts when I bend. Oh, no. Chicky, let's see your little face. Turn around. Oh, look at that pretty baby. Look at that. Oh, gone. Bye.